Don't miss our mega open house this Saturday, November 2nd from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's located at 635 Fair Oaks Avenue Northwest, North Canton, Ohio 44720. And it's priced at just $189,900. That's right, you heard it, North Canton, under $200,000 for this hidden gem in North Canton. It's tucked away on its own quarter-acre private lot. It's got an oversized 2-car garage with an opener. It's freshly painted throughout, and it has all new carpet on the second floor. It's a 1,380 square foot 2-story featuring a first floor laundry area, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, including a first floor full bath and a primary bedroom full-size bath suite with a large walk-in closet. The first floor has an updated kitchen with a granite countertop and a beautiful island, and it's an open 17 by 20 great room concept. Plus, there's an entry sitting room that adjoins the first floor laundry room and a full bath. So our mega open house is this Saturday, November 2nd from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., 635 Fair Oaks Avenue Northwest, North Canton, Ohio, 44720. It's priced just at $189,900. You can get all the pictures and information at mottsnewlisting.com. That is mottsnewlisting.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.